Are you a good decision maker, or do you always find yourself making wrong decisions or judgments? Are you biased with your own reasoning or belief when making decisions? According to the book The Scout Mindset, by Julia Galef, there are two types of mindsets in making decisions: the soldier mindset and the scout mindset. The soldier mindset is about our beliefs as if they are soldiers, that defend and resist attacks. We might hold a strong opinion on something, and whenever it is challenged, we find ways and evidence and reasons to support our position. This is also called the motivated reasoning, which is the natural defense of our brain to protect us from negative emotions like fear, stress, and regrets. For example, students who consistently underperformed in their studies may conclude that grades aren't important. Or, you think the young lady who is with a rich man is a gold digger, without knowing their background. We selectively choose the narratives which we wanted, when we are in soldier mindset. In scout mindset, we can imagine the job of a scout. A scout finds the correct map, understands the surroundings, and updates the map with new findings. In scout mindset, there is no such thing as threat to your belief. It is about getting the accurate picture based on reality even when it is unpleasant or inconvenient. It is this mindset that results in good decision making and improves judgments. If you are wondering whether you have a scout mindset, then you may want to check if the following signs apply to you. Number 1. You tell other people when you realize they were right. When you have a scout mindset, you are willing to accept your own mistake and say "I was wrong" and acknowledge that other people were right. You are able to prize the truth over your own ego. Number 2. You welcome criticism. Have you, or know anyone who had asked for honest feedback and ended up being defensive on every single negative comment? That is a soldier mindset, not scout mindset. You can examine your own past behaviors if you had really welcomed any criticism. If you have a scout mindset, you will honor any negative feedback and improve on it. Number 3. You have proved yourself wrong. Have you ever claimed something, and later on worked on your own claim, tested against the claim, and find that it was actually wrong? If you have scout mindset. When you have the scout mindset, you search for the truth and voluntarily challenged your own claim and proved yourself wrong. Number 4. You take precautions to avoid falling into your own bias. Sometimes, when we ask a question, we may ask with a biased opinion which leads to an answer that we want to hear. But if you have a scout mindset, you will take precautions not to let this happen, so that both sides of the story or possibilities are accounted for, and not leaning towards a certain side. Lastly, the biggest sign of a scout mindset is that you are able to point to an occasion which you were in soldier mindset. When you are giving claims or making decisions based on a certain bias, you are having a soldier mindset. It could be due to self-esteem, morale, comfort, persuasion, certain images or belongings that makes you decide in a certain way. For example, a fox who can't reach the hanging grapes concluded that the grapes were sour. We could often make claims so that we feel better, without finding out the truth. If you can spot yourself with these occasions, you have a great awareness that makes you very much in the scout mindset. Everybody may have different degrees of the soldier mindset and the scout mindset at different times. For example, some people have the scout mindset in their work, but when it comes to families, they have the soldier mindset. Remember that being in a scout mindset always let you see things clearer, and it could make a difference in the world that you see. If you want to become more in the scout mindset, there are actually some daily habits that you can practice, like: when you notice yourself making certain claims, ask yourself how sure you really are. Or, if you have some worries in your head, instead of trying to rationalize them away, make concrete plans to tackle the issues if they were to happen. It is not easy, especially when you have to deal with your own ego and emotion, but it is not impossible with self-reminder and awareness. Hope with these tips you can move closer to become a scout and make the best decisions in life. See you next time. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to also like this video and click on the bell icon to turn on notifications for future videos.